Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and today we're looking at one of the sort of common worded simultaneous equation problems that people come across. This one is one of the many variations on the ticket sales problem. Now, just to run through the problem in its worded form, 1,000 tickets to a game were sold. The adult tickets cost $8.50, the children's $4.50. $7,300 worth of tickets were sold. And the question is, how many tickets of each were sold? So how many children's tickets, how many adult tickets? So the first thing that we've really got to do is, well, the only thing we have to do to solve this is to construct some simultaneous equations or construct some equations and use those to solve the problem. Now, the first step in that is to quantify what it is that you're looking at. So we're going to call X the adult tickets and Y the children's tickets. We know that the total tickets will be X plus Y. And I'll just get the red pen and fill this in. X plus Y equals 1,000. Hopefully you can see that. The camera picks that up. 1,000. That's important. Okay. Now, that takes care of the tickets. Now, money collected was 7,300. And there's some work to do here. So the adult tickets, which are X, cost $8.50, so we're going to call that 8.5, and the children's tickets 4.5. So the equations that we wind up with are X plus Y equals 1,000, 8.5X plus 4.5Y equals 7,300. Now, I'm going to do something that I don't do very often. I'm going to multiply this through by 10 to get rid of the decimal points. So we get 85x plus 45y. That just gets rid of the decimal points. It's one less area of confusion. So just to go over this again, X is adult, Y is child, total ticket sales X plus Y equals 1,000, money collected, we're going to say 85x plus 45y, which is equals 73,000. So notice I've also multiplied that by 10. Now there's one more thing. What we're going to use to solve this problem is substitution. So what I've done is I've found a value for y in terms of x. And that's just a rearrangement of this equation up here. So y is equal to 1,000 minus that x, if I put the x over here. Now, what that means is that I can take this expression and put it into this part of the equation. So that's the next thing I'm going to do. Just let me gather my papers. I've got a tidy version of that here, and this is the outcome. So just let me talk you through this. The surprise is spoilt. We know how many adults and children there are. This thing here is my y equals 1,000 minus x, rearrangement of that equation. And what this means is that I can state the whole equation with only one variable, x. And when I tidy this up, I get 85x minus 45x plus 45,000. So I've multiplied both of those, equals 73,000, which tells me that 40x is equal to 28,000. Now, 28,000 divided by 40 will equal x, and that means that I get 700 adults who bought tickets. We know that there are 1,000 tickets sold, so from that we can deduce that if we take the adult tickets off the total number of tickets sold, we get 300 children. So our answer is 700 adults, 300 children. That is how you do that problem. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.